Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I'd like us to start analysis with the Euro USD. So, we're going to use a combination of this indicator, this standard moving average, and also this custom indicator, the one I have on my screen. And we're also going to use a bit of price action just to see exactly or precisely where we expect to be trading from. So, based on the indicator, based on the custom indicator we are seeing that there's a possibility that we may see a sell signal after the close of the current candle. And based on the moving average, we are also looking at the same thing where the price is below this moving average. So those are two things showing us the possibility that the price may likely sell off. The other thing which I want us to look at is price action. Let's see exactly what is happening around this area. So this is what we are seeing. There is a very good converging wedge formation. So we had a high, a lower high, a lower high, a high which is higher than the previous high. Then we had a lower high, we had a low, a low, a low, and we expect the same place to be a low. So since these two indicators are showing us a sell, the moving average is showing us a sell, the other indicator is also showing us a very good sell. We want price action to also give us a sell. So that would mean we either wait for price to come back and bounce off from this point, or the price should break below this level here, then continue downwards with a first target here. The next target is this one, and the last one is the one we have at the bottom, which is this one here. So if the price descends and closes below this trend line, we do expect it to retrace back to the same line before it continues downwards, at least up to this level here. If this target is broken, then we do expect the price to continue downwards up to the next target, which is this one here, and then the last target is the line we have, which is this one here. So my next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. We are also going to use the same approach. We are using this moving average and also the custom indicator and a bit of price action. So based on the moving average, we are in an uptrend, but based on the custom indicator, we are possibly in a downtrend. So this is confusing. There is no clear direction based on these two indicators. But based on price action, we do have a very good level here. We have a very good support level. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, support. There is a break below. We have a resistance, and we have a resistance there. So where the price is when the price is approaching this trend line, these two lines, these are going to be the best places to look for a sell from. We actually expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this level here. So technically, if the price comes up and touches these two lines, these are going to be the best places to look for a sell from. We do expect the sellers to push us back downwards up to this level here. And in case the price fails to bounce off from this level, that is, if the price goes up and ends up closing above those lines, then those are going to give us the best places to look for a buy from. So if the price ascends above that line, we will be expecting more buy positions. After the close above it, we are expecting the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this point there. My next set is the US dollar Japanese yen. Based on the moving average, we are bearish. Based on this other indicator, we are upwards. So that's confusing. So on this chart, I can't see much of price action at the moment. Let me see. So we're waiting for price to give us a buy signal along this trend line. If it bounces off from here, we expect it to move upwards up to this trend line, where we'll be looking for a sell position from. My next chart is gold. So on gold, so far we are in a very good uptrend. You can see that this indicator showing us a buy. The custom indicator is also showing us a buy. So we have like a very good level here. this is like a very good shape. So if the price goes down and touches this trend line, that will give us a good place to look for a buy from. In case the price breaks above this trend line, I want to see some pullback to the same point before we can pick a buy position. So this is a very good converge expanding wedge formation that if the price can break above it, that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side, expecting the buyers to go up at least up to this point here. So that is this level. We expect a buy at least up to this level. This is a very good resistance level and could also act as a good place to look for a sell from. The next chart is the SP500. With the SP500 so far, we have that, and then we also have a line from the top. So this is a converging wedge formation. We expect that the price may break below this trend line, retrace back, then continue to the lower side with a first target fixed at this price. The next target is fixed at this price here. So if you wait and sell a break below this trend line, expect the sellers to push us downwards up to this level. If this is broken, expect the price to extend downwards at least up to this level here. So you either wait and sell it along this trend line or wait for a break below this level, keep on selling it up to this point. If this target is broken, the next target is this one here. My next chart is Brent oil. It looks like this is bearish. We are in some downtrend. So we have a very good trend line. We have this was an expanding, a contracting wedge formation. You can see that the price actually broke below it. As we speaking now, the price is still below it. So we expect the sellers to push us downwards at least up to this point here. Our next target is this one here. So after the break below this trend line, expect the sellers to push us downwards up to this target. If this is broken, expect more sell positions at least up to this next level here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.